and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices fell as hotter than expected US inflation data and a drop in jobless claims lifted the dollar and Treasury yields, trimming the odds of a supersized September rate cut. Wall Street's main indexes were mixed, with S&P 500 edging up to a closing high, while the Dow Jones and Nasdaq were flat after a hotter than expected producer prices report dampened expectations of potential interest rate cuts. Austria-based crypto platform Bitpanda has entered the United Kingdom, aiming to make the country one of its top 3 markets within the next 2 years. The expansion includes its retail investment app, along with its corporate arm, Bitpanda Technology Solutions.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.